Okay, let's dive into the world of heat and temperature. Heat versus temperature. These two terms are often used interchangeably, but they have distinct meanings. Heat is a form of energy. It's the total energy of the motion of the particles, the atoms or molecules that make up a substance. Think of it like the total energy of a crowd of people, where each person's movement contributes to the overall energy. Temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles in a substance. It tells us how hot or cold something is. Imagine it as the average energy of each person in the crowd. Measurement of temperature. We use different scales to measure temperature. Celsius, commonly used in most countries. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Fahrenheit, used mainly in the United States. Water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit and boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Kelvin, the absolute temperature scale. It starts at absolute zero, which is minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, where all particle motion theoretically stops. Thermometers are devices used to measure temperature. They work on the principle that certain substances expand or contract with changes in temperature. Common types include liquid in-glass thermometers, which use a liquid like mercury or alcohol that expands or contracts in a narrow tube. Digital thermometers, which use electronic sensors to measure temperature and display it on a digital screen. Thermocouples, which use the voltage generated by the junction of two different metals to measure temperature. Let me know if you'd like to explore any of these concepts further, or if you have any specific questions.